Welcome to the future of transportation. Today, we explore the revolutionary designs and technologies reshaping the way we move. From autonomous vehicles to futuristic drones and electric bikes, let's dive into the innovations of tomorrow. Bell 360 Invictus, the future of attack reconnaissance. The Bell 360 Invictus is designed for the U.S. Army's Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft (FARA) program. It stands out with exceptional maneuverability, speed, and agility. This makes it ideal for both urban and rugged terrains. Equipped with a 20mm cannon, the Invictus is ready for any combat scenario. It also has an internal payload bay for modular launchers, ensuring versatility in missions. The aircraft is built with modern manufacturing processes, ensuring affordability and long-term reliability. It features an integrated supplemental power unit to boost performance and a fly-by-wire system for precise control. The Bell 360 Invictus is ready to change the way attack reconnaissance missions are carried out. With its unbeatable capabilities, it will provide unmatched readiness and effectiveness in any combat situation. BMW R75. When talking about legendary motorcycles, the BMW R75 is a must-mention. Produced for the German Army from 1941 to 1944, this iconic motorcycle with a sidecar saw action in various theaters, including the deserts of North Africa. The BMW R75 is powered by a 745cc air-cooled, twin-cylinder engine. It produces 26 horsepower and can reach speeds of up to 95 km per hour. Despite its power, it has a relatively efficient fuel consumption of 6.3 liters per 100 kilometers. Originally, the plan was to build 18,000 units of the BMW R75 during World War II. However, production was halted in 1944 after 16,510 units were produced. The reason for this was the motorcycle's complex design and high production costs. This machine is more than just a military vehicle, it's a piece of history. Duo and Bento, innovative electric quadricycles by Renault Group. The Duo and Bento are two electric quadricycles developed by Renault Group's Mobilize brand. These vehicles are designed to tackle the challenges of urban mobility. The Duo is a sleek, two-seater vehicle that offers a top speed of 50 miles per hour. It has a range of up to 100 miles on a single charge. Despite its compact size, it's equipped with modern features like air conditioning, heated seats, and sliding doors that make getting in and out easier. The Bento, on the other hand, is built for utility. It has a spacious 649-liter cargo box, making it ideal for city deliveries. Whether you're transporting goods or just running errands, the Bento provides plenty of room. Both the Duo and Bento are eco-friendly. They are made from over 40% recycled materials and are designed to be at least 95% recyclable at the end of their life cycle. This makes them a sustainable choice for urban transportation. The central driving position is a unique feature of both vehicles. They also offer digital key sharing capabilities, adding to their convenience. Whether you're using the Duo for daily commuting or the Bento for deliveries, both vehicles provide practical, environmentally conscious solutions for modern urban life. In summary, the Duo and Bento are more than just vehicles. They are a step toward greener, smarter transportation that blends convenience with sustainability. Ehang, revolutionizing transportation with autonomous aerial vehicles. Ehang is changing the future of transportation with its autonomous aerial vehicles. Their vision is to create a system similar to an underground bus network. It would have centralized oversight and specific routes between set points. Safety is a top priority for Ehang's autonomous vehicles. These vehicles are designed with multiple backup systems. They feature power redundancy, fully autonomous operations, and backup systems for flight control, communications, and navigation. Interestingly, Ehang's models suggest that flying in autonomous aerial vehicles could be more cost-effective than traditional taxi rides. This could make it a profitable option for operators. While most discussions focus on urban applications, Ehang also sees great potential in non-urban areas. Their vehicles could replace services provided by helicopters in various sectors. Ehang's vision is transformative. In the near future, their autonomous aerial vehicles might become an essential part of our daily lives. Festo BionicBee, lightweight autonomous robotic fly. Meet the Festo BionicBee. It's a tiny, lightweight robotic fly that weighs just 34 grams and measures 22 centimeters in length. Despite its small size, it packs a lot of technology. The BionicBee is the smallest flying object in the Bionic Learning Network. Its compact body houses a beating wing mechanism, communication technology, and control components. These elements work together to control the wing beats and adjust the wing's geometry. The BionicBee's wings beat at a frequency of 15 to 20 Hz. As it flies, the wing angle reaches up to 180 degrees. The faster the BionicBee moves, the faster its wings beat, providing more lift. This allows it to fly efficiently and steadily. What's amazing is that the BionicBee can fly autonomously. It can even work in groups, part of a swarm. Thanks to its indoor localization system with ultra-wideband technology, it can track its position accurately. This enables the BionicBee to navigate and fly in complex environments. Audi Icon Concept. The Audi Icon concept represents the future of mobility. It's a bold 2+2 concept car with 4 doors, designed to redefine luxury and innovation. This futuristic vehicle showcases a daring vision for automotive design, both inside and out. One of its standout features is the complete absence of traditional controls. There are no steering wheels, pedals, or buttons. Instead, the Audi Icon focuses on advanced digitalization, sustainable technologies, and cutting-edge drivetrain and suspension systems. The car serves as a technological demonstrator, offering an impressive electric range of 700 to 800 kilometers on a single charge. It's fully electric, built with efficiency and sustainability at its core. When it comes to dimensions, the Audi Icon is remarkable. It measures 5,444 mm in length, 2,100 mm in width, and 1,560 mm in height. Its wheelbase stretches to an impressive 3,470 mm, even surpassing the long wheelbase version of the Audi A8. Despite its groundbreaking features and forward-thinking design, the Audi Icon remains a concept car. There's no official release date or pricing information available. It might never go into production. For now, it stands as a prototype, showcasing Audi's vision for the future of mobility. One-Wheel GTS Series. The One-Wheel GTS Series is an advanced electric skateboard from Future Motion. It's built for performance and packed with cutting-edge features. This model has a powerful 113-volt drivetrain. That's 50% more voltage than previous models, giving it better torque and more power. The One-Wheel GTS series can reach speeds up to 25 miles per hour. It offers a range of 16 to 25 miles, making it perfect for both commuting and recreational riding. The GTS comes with a custom treaded tire for better stability, ensuring a smoother ride on different surfaces. The foot pads are redesigned to provide better control, helping you stay comfortable while riding. One of its standout features is the intelligent LED lighting. It adapts to your direction, adding a touch of smart design. The One-Wheel GTS series is lighter than earlier models. It also features a high-performance motor with premium NSK bearings, made in Japan, ensuring durability and smooth operation. With a price tag of $3,200, the GTS series supports a range of GT accessories. Plus, you can customize your ride profile through the One-Wheel app. Rim. The game changer in personal transportation. Looking for an efficient way to get around? Meet Rim. This sleek, lightweight device is changing the way we travel short distances. Rim combines a powerful electric motor with a compact, foldable design. It's perfect for urban commuters, students, and anyone always on the go. The ergonomic handle and footrests ensure a comfortable ride. Whether you're traveling to work, class, or just exploring the city, Rim offers a smooth experience. Safety is a top priority. With built-in LED lights, you'll always be visible, even in low light. The reliable braking system adds an extra layer of security for your peace of mind. Rim features a long-lasting battery that charges quickly, so you can enjoy extended rides without constantly needing to plug in. It's the ideal solution for navigating city streets, campus pathways, and parks. Eco-friendly, convenient, and stylish, Rim is designed to upgrade your commute. Embrace the future of short-distance travel with Rim. Eretic Snowscoot. Introducing the Eretic Snowscoot, the ultimate fusion of a scooter and a snowboard. This innovative winter sports gear is built for thrilling rides on snowy slopes. The Eretic Snowscoot lets you carve through the snow like a pro. It combines the agility of a scooter with the stability of a snowboard. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, it offers the perfect balance of control and excitement. It features a lightweight yet durable aluminum frame, designed to withstand tough use. This means you can enjoy smooth rides and excellent maneuverability, no matter the terrain. The ergonomic design includes handlebars, making steering easy and precise. This added feature helps with balance, ensuring you feel confident while riding. The Eretic Snowscoot is ideal for riders of all ages. It transforms snowy landscapes into an exciting playground, offering a unique way to enjoy winter sports.